Hi guys, welcome to Byte Official, and in this video I'm going to review a gallium nitride charger that is of capacity 100 watt by URVNS. So here I have got the package and let's unbox this. And by the way, before unboxing this package, I'd like to tell you that I have used this charger for around a month or two, and this is not the new package. Okay, so I have already used this and then I have again packed it up so that we can unbox it together. So we'll get it in this brown packaging with just a sticker over here, and this was for around 3k. You can check the current price at concept card. I'll leave the links in the description of this video. So if I open this from here, then we'll first get a type C to type C cable, and this is around 2 meters long. So let me keep this aside, and after that you'll get the charger itself wrapped in plastic. So I haven't removed this plastic yet, and I'm not removing it now as well. So see, this is the gallium nitride charger by URVNS, and this, as you can see over here, this is made in China, and we have an input port over here for power, and unfortunately this is of 2-pin plug, so we do not get any earthing in this port, okay, or should I say in this charger. And on the other side we have a blue LED over here. Then we have the type C power delivery port, which can give a maximum output of 100 watt at 20 volts. Then we have the red colored smart charger, which is Qualcomm quick charge 3.0 technology this uses. And apart from that, we have the other two white ones, which are the normal USB chargers, which can give a maximum of 2.4 amperes, and the maximum wattage of these two are around 18 watt. Okay, so you can use this to charge your laptop using this type C port, because this can give out around 20 volts, which is enough for any laptop. And one more thing which I forgot is that it also comes with a adapter for plugging this into power supply. Apologies, I forgot to include this into this box, but I'm letting you know now that it also comes with this adapter. Okay, so let us try to plug this in. So I have a power socket over here, so let me first insert this over here, and I have secured this over here, and let me plug this. So once plugged, you can see we can see a blue glow over here, and this charge is active. And that was all for this charger. And by the way, if you are interested in the construction, then this is entirely made up of plastic on all the 6 ends, or should I say on all the 6 sides. Apart from this, if you have any other queries regarding this charger, you can leave them in the comments below, or you can even mail it to my official mail ID. And if you found this video useful, do consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Thanks for watching.